you. You look stunning. And to start with, what is it about men that impresses you the most?
When they don't come up to and say anything, that is.
Basically, I like a man who's very chivalrous, quiet, not very much, aggressive. Like, how a man can kind of really be, very pushy. These are the things that I really appreciate, in a man. I think that's very chivalrous.
And is that what you liked about Saif the most as well?
नहीं नहीं और कुछ पसंद आया होगा इसीलिए शादी कर ली ना.
I don't know, yeah, I think so, of course. And chivalrous, though, I think when it comes to chivalry, I think definitely, I don't think anybody can match
He's
up
the
to
brand
Saif.
ambassador.
Yeah, exactly. He's
chivalrous to
sometimes,
men also.
Yeah, he's like too much. So I sometimes I tell him to just relax. Some
You
girl
can't
might just
stand-
take it the wrong way.
You can't stand in their house because Saif will keep finding a place to make you sit. He's that chivalrous actually. And the dining table, तो for sure they both keep finding places to make you sit to eat. नहीं कुछ तो खा के
Yeah,
जाओ.
because the dining table is so small.
That's really sweet. And your मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. The dialogue of Gee when जब we met. It's the most endearing and probably the most influential dialogue ever.
That's the title of a biopic.
Oh God.
But is that your motto in life as well? Because it's a beautiful thing to say that you have to love yourself.
Yeah, I mean, of course I do, but I don't take it so seriously. But of course, my priority is my happiness.
If you both had to interchange your gender, if you were to do that, which woman would you have a crush on and which man would you have?
Crush. I have a man crush on Hrithik Roshan for many years. I think he's scared of me. I think because every time I see him, I'm like, wow! On Coffee with Karan, I said it. That day I was there at the Radio Mirchi Awards. I was there, and I saw him and I said, "मैं कहाँ हूँ पर इनको देख के की बन जाता हूँ." Because of Dhoom 2, I remember I saw Dhoom 2 and
Yeah, 'cause he was so
he was outstanding. Like a man having golden hair looked amazing. Like Greek में ऐसे gods नहीं होते जैसे ये आए थे.
Kareena, you?
I'm just trying to think. I don't know. Maybe Kangana Ranaut. Because she's so talented, and I think on some level, I quite like the way she conducts herself also. She quite speaks her mind, whether it's wrong or right, but, she doesn't care.
You recently said that Arjun Kapoor and Karan Johar are like best gossip providers.
No, it is wrong. She is the best. We are the wire services that transfer the information from here. We are PTI and INS. That is what we are. And the big one is Kareena Kapoor and Ranbir Kapoor. These are the two people who are the big.
Rubbish!
Kareena and Arjun both. Do you think, as a man, you think women are luckier for certain reasons and vice versa? Or do you envy certain about
But
them?
I think women are superior beings, so every man should envy women any which way. I just think that
Yeah.
at the basic DNA level, women have the ability to understand things better. They're more patient, they're more loving, they're more caring, they're more nurturing. And they can actually go through more physical torture than men can. Body banana एक चीज होती है, but to be able to give birth to a child is an amazing journey to have. So I think every man should be envious of every woman because they are superior beings.
Kareena, you?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't think there's anything that I envy about a man. Because there's nothing a woman can't do. I think a woman can do everything.
बस मौका मिलना चाहिए. I feel like I've become a woman in this.
You have.
Yeah. मर्द मुझे बहुत मारने वाले हैं इस पिक्चर के बाद.
If this happens
Sorry.
in real life, Saif portraying Arjun Kapoor's role, then how would you react to it? Will you like accept Saif the way like?
Yeah, I mean, of course. Like I said, that love and support is something that's it's there. It's part of my relationship. Of course, I would. Definitely. And as long as he would support me in my work, I think it's fine.
But like Saif has worked also for so long, so if he
Yeah.
decides to take a year or two off, I don't think it's going to change their relationship.
No, Baba, we take very expensive
हाँ,
holidays.
that is different.
I don't think anybody does.
नहीं तो आप स्विट्जरलैंड तक मत पहुंचना ना, इधर कुल्लू मनाली में वैसा.
अलीबाग में
ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए you can do. नहीं अलीबाग भी बहुत महंगा है. Please.
Kareena, why are you not on social media with that kind of fan following?
I just want you to know this woman knows everything happening on social media without being. So it's better she's not there on social
She has
media.
many followers on Instagram.
They are going to hit me.
They have groups.
They are going to hit me. They are hitting me on. Why are you not getting her onto social
Your
media?
sister is on, your sister is on Instagram.
Yeah,
Your,
she's on Instagram, not on Twitter.
Soha is there, or the whole family
Yeah.
is on. Saif, I think, is not there as well.
No.
But,
Saif should not be also.
yeah, why?
I think both of us should not be. We're very happy.
But why?
I think it's a responsibility, to really take on.
And
Constantly
it's addictive
being-
also. Then.
Yeah. No, I get my information. I'm on Scroll India. The current affairs, both Saif and me are on Scroll. In fact, Saif told me that the kind of information that is available on Scroll is not available on in the newspapers. So we are very, I mean,
You
Of
should
course.
interact with people.
But the
but
thing
we
is,
don't interact with.
you can be up to date, you can be aware of what's happening in the world without
Yeah,
having to be
of course.
interactive.
No, but I think that nowadays everybody's like, just because you're not on social media,
means
probably
you're-
you're not like cool, or because I'm not giving my opinion on whether it's the current affairs that are taking place, or whether the guy didn't want to say Jai Hind, or whether the guy did the JNU issue. Just because I am not tweeting about it, that really doesn't mean that Saif and me don't A, have an opinion, and B, we are clueless. And he will have his opinion, but we don't
She's
want
going
to
to
share.
leave on that chair if you ask any more questions.
No, but I don't need to put my opinion that this
Yeah,
is what I
that
would
I
say,
agree.
and women need to do this, and women need to do that. But I am not a politician.